Welcome to latest News Blaster. In an unprecedented scientific breakthrough that is rapidly becoming one of the most significant oceanographic revelations of the century, an international team of deep-sea researchers has announced the discovery of a massive hidden structure inside the Mariana Trench, a finding that is already sparking geopolitical tension, academic debate, and global speculation about what lies beneath Earth's deepest and most mysterious frontier. The revelation, confirmed through a combination of advanced sonar mapping, unmanned submersible imaging, and independent verification from several oceanographic institutes, suggests that something unnatural, extraordinarily ancient, and possibly technologically engineered exists in the Hadal depths nearly 36,000 feet below the Pacific Ocean's surface. The discovery was made during a joint expedition led by the Pacific Abyss Research Coalition, PARC, a multinational scientific program involving researchers from the United States, Japan, Australia, and the European Union. The mission, initially designed to study tectonic plate behavior and extreme pressure biological ecosystems, suddenly shifted focus when sonar readings revealed a perfectly geometric anomaly embedded in a cavern on the trench's western slope. Unlike ordinary rock formations shaped by geological processes, the anomaly displayed angular symmetry, large repeating polygons, parallel walls, and metallic density signatures inconsistent with any known natural substance found in the deep ocean. According to expedition leader Dr. Kaide Ishimura, a seasoned deep-sea geologist with 3 decades of trench exploration experience, the discovery should not exist. In her words, the Mariana Trench is one of the most hostile environments on Earth. Temperatures near freezing, perpetual darkness, and crushing pressures more than 1,000 times what humans experience at sea level. No man-made structure could survive this long. No natural formation should look like this. But what we found, it challenges basic assumptions about geology, engineering, and possibly our history. Her statement, released in a controlled briefing, has since ignited a scientific firestorm. Early footage from the expedition's autonomous submersible, Abyssal Echo, reveals portions of what appear to be smooth surfaces, stair-like drops, and large arching segments that reflect artificial design rather than organic formation. Though the images remain grainy due to extreme pressure and limited light, experts have identified what might be doorway-like openings and squared edges that align to a precise 90-degree angle. Structural analysts who reviewed the footage noted that such geometric perfection is rarely, if ever, produced by natural processes at these depths. Some insiders have even suggested that the structure appears engineered, though no official declaration has been made. Within hours of the initial announcement, global powers reportedly began requesting private access to the raw sonar data. Sources within PARC, speaking under anonymity due to security protocols, claim that at least 3 major countries have quietly expressed interest in funding follow-up expeditions, raising concerns about potential militarization of the discovery. The deep ocean has long been considered the final frontier for resource exploration, biological research, and strategic underwater positioning. A previously unknown structure of exotic composition in the deepest place on Earth represents not only a scientific marvel, but also a potential geopolitical asset. Meanwhile, the scientific community remains sharply divided. Some researchers believe the structure may be a remnant of an ancient civilization, possibly predating recorded history. They argue that rising sea levels, tectonic shifts, and catastrophic Earth events could have buried advanced settlements deeper than previously believed. Others insist that the structure could be a unique geological formation shaped by supercritical fluids or rare mineral interactions. But the most provocative theory, quietly circulated among a handful of experts, is that the structure could represent technology or architecture not originating from human civilization at all. Despite the sensational speculation, PARC officials have firmly stated that no conclusions will be drawn until more data is gathered. However, their caution has not prevented the public imagination from running wild. Social media platforms erupted within minutes of the story breaking, with hashtags like #TrenchStructure, #MarianaMystery, and #DeepSeaSecret dominating global trends. Conspiracy theorists, ancient archaeology enthusiasts, and science bloggers alike have flooded the internet with theories about extraterrestrial involvement, lost continents such as Lemuria, or long-buried super-civilizations washed away by prehistoric cataclysms. Yet beyond the noise, the discovery poses legitimate scientific questions. What material is the structure made from? How old is it? Could it be related to tectonic anomalies observed in the region? And most critically, how did something so seemingly artificial end up in the deepest known part of the ocean? To answer these questions, Park has already announced a follow-up expedition scheduled for early next year. The mission will involve more robust submersibles capable of withstanding the trench's extreme pressure for extended durations. These upgraded craft will carry improved lighting, drilling arms, spectrometers, and high-definition imaging systems. Their objective: collect physical samples from the structure's surface